Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy. Do you want to add some style and design to your car? Projector puddle lights are the way to go, and I'll show you how. All right, if you're like, what are puddle lights? So that's when you open your door and you have that light underneath the strip of your door card itself that shines down so you don't necessarily step into a puddle. Now, BMW normally includes the light, but it's normally just a plain bright white light, which is fine and all, but there are a lot of really cool options out there for what you can do. Now, I've already done one side, but here is the light itself. You've got the cable that comes in on one side and a hook on the other. So what ends up happening is if this is your door card and the hole that it's in, this fits up in with the cable and then snaps upwards with these little hooks that hang onto your door card. Okay? So what we're going to be doing is pressing backward on the light so these little hooks will get away from the door card and then pull the light down and out. Now, one other thing, at least on this car, this little 2-wire cable was stupid to get out. It was in so tight. Now, it may be a little bit hard to see right there, but if you see there's a little notch right there in it, and there's actually a tiny little bump on the plug itself. And what I found what I had to do is press a little tool and use a pick tool and press down on a little bump, and then the plug would come out. Just pulling on it, it did not want to come out. Now, yours may be slightly different or not nearly as hard as my car, but I wanted to show you this because of just the complication in getting what is a simple plug out. All right, so I'm gonna show you on the driver's side door, so let's duck down, let's take a look at that. I'm pulling the light out. All right, guys, so I'm actually laying under my door. That's probably the easiest way to show you. So here's the back of the car, here's the front of the car, and obviously you can see reflected in my hand is the light. So here on the engine side, there's a little notch in the light, and you can tell that's where the hooks are. That's why they put that little notch right there. So usually what I'll do is I'll take a plastic trim tool and get up underneath the edge of the light and press backwards, just like that, until it comes out. So now you can see there's not a lot of cable length, but there's enough right there.